Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
My name is Rhys Barber. I'm another audiologist here at Audiology Associates. There we go. Sorry. This is day 20 of Wax Vent. So we're on the final 5 days now, guys. You're nearly at Christmas Day.
Last 5 days.
Yeah, nearly there.
Last
nearly
5
there.
days. So if you've never seen Wax Vent before, this is where we treat you to a wax remover video every single day of December, right up until Christmas Day.
And this is a beastie. This is classic Q-tip use. Look, it is shoved right down in the ear. It's thin, it's domed, it's not easy to get out. Yeah, causing lots and lots of issues with this particular patient's hearing. And you can see it is thin and dry and crispy and just everything you don't want it to be, really.
Say everything you would hate to see when you're removing wax.
Yeah, your heart does sink a little bit when you kind of look in the ear canal and see this staring back at you, just because you know it's just going to be so tough. And they've obviously used no drops whatsoever because it is dry as a bone. So we've put some in there now just to help things along a little bit. Guys, if you do enjoy these videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're really enjoying the videos, you can always subscribe. It's in the bottom corners. There somewhere, so you can always subscribe to the channel as well.
You remember to do it this time?
I did, yeah, in the middle. I always forget. I always tag it on at the end. But yeah, this was a really tough one to do, just because it is so firmly welded onto the side of the canal wall that wax has gone dry. It's dried onto the skin underneath. So effectively, we're peeling not only wax but skin away here as well.
You can see all that grey, dead material. So
yeah,
that's what's coming off the ear canal. Oh, look how white it is actually.
Yeah, it's thick, and you know, when you're lifting up there, you think, oh yeah, okay, well I can use that. Oh, look at that peeling all the way down that ear canal, right the way down to the eardrum. Look at that peel away.
And that's all that fresh, newer skin underneath that hasn't been exposed to any fresh air for quite a long time.
Yeah. So I've got a bit of a grip now on that bit of skin underneath. We're going to try and sort of wiggle this away just to try and get a bit of purchase, get it down the canal a little further away from the eardrum, make it a bit easier.
In a hope that that's going to pull out of the anterior recess. It's all stacked down the bottom as well.
Very deep. It's very deep. It's not easy, and the thing is, when it's that deep, you are really restricted on the tools that you can use. So we have to use things like suction or fine edge. You can't really go in. All the other curettage tools we're talking about, you need to get behind it to draw this down. Well, this is stuck to the eardrum, so you're not going to be able to get behind it.
I was just going to say, the only tool you could really use once you've got some sort of something there to grip onto would be the fine jaw forceps.
Oh, is that going to come away? I think that's just taking the dead skin, I think. Now, this is the other thing we don't want to see. Ideally, we want it, when we take these side pieces away, we want it to start moving that central section away as well, because otherwise it does this. And what we've ended up with here is a really depressed central section that you can't really get a massive grip on. And it's more awkward to get that out then, because you haven't really got anything to work on. But you can see just how dry that is.
Starting to roll forward a bit though.
Yep, it's getting there.
Starting to roll forward. It's looking good.
I was going to say I might go in with a different tool here, because we've got that little bit of a leading edge, but you can see just how wide and how brittle that is. I can't even get the forceps wide enough to get a clamp on that.
There's a little bit left. I think
I saw a spot. Yeah, I spot a little bit further back in. You can see just how dry and crispy that is.
Oh, it's a little piece.
I think this is going to peel down that right side though. Look, if I can get a good enough grip and lift, just enough to pull up and backwards, I think it's going to peel. There it is. Oh, look at that coming away. Yeah, there we go. Now, fingers crossed that's taking it all out there, but you can see just how big that piece was. Not only was it lifting up in front of the eardrum, but it was coming down the canal wall as well. There we are. That's much more patient talking to be there now. There you go. I think they're a good old chin wag there at the moment.
We do get some people coming in like chewing gum as well.
Yeah.
You just have to say, please stop chewing your chewing gum until we finished.
Oh my God, I had a gent earlier, bless him, and he was coming through and he was really nervous, so he wanted to talk the whole way through, but he was talking and chatting to me, and his ear canal was literally just doing that. So I had to tell him, just for the sake of this bit, just being quiet. Oh, we got a peel here. Look at this coming off the eardrum. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's dry, okay? So I'm just going to start the peel off,
Bit of oil.
Yeah, bit of oil in here. And watch what happens when we get a bit of oil on now. So basically, this is why it was stuck so firmly down there. It was stuck on this dry skin, but look at this coming away. There's the peel, there it goes.
Ooh, that's a good one.
That's a nice peel.
You don't really see them half the time, do you?
They're so translucent. Yeah, it's almost like a very fine, almost like spider web layer over the top. And it's not until you move a piece and you see that like a whole section will just kind of just move in the corner of your eye, and you think, right, that's the whole thing gone. There we are. So, oh gosh, we are. I'm going to go for an inch, just over an inch and 1/8.
I'm going to go 2.5 centimeters. Yeah. I'm not counting that little tiny little piece in the end.
Why not? That still counts.
2 or 3/4 there.
So anyway, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video as much as me and Taylor do voicing these ones over. So as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. And we'll see you again for the next video. So we're day 21 tomorrow?
21 tomorrow.
See you for day 21, guys.
Bye.